Hey guys, today let's learn how to use Bing AI for beginners. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use the new Bing AI on your devices in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so this is going to be pretty easy because all we need to do is tap on the Bing AI website over here, and it's going to show us, of course, the Bing, application. But if you'd like to go ahead and use the AI options of Bing or the Bing AI chat, just tap on the logos over here to enter the chat box. As you see, we are now using GPT-4, and if you would like to go ahead and basically use this, it's just going to be as simple as using AI chat bots on the web. So all we need to basically do is to ask Bing AI anything. You could also enter a prompt, ask it to create some scripts, articles about a specific topic, and that's how you guys could use Bing AI for beginners. You could also go ahead and use Bing AI to create images for you. Now I do have a separate tutorial on how you guys could create images using the Bing AI image creator, so just go ahead and hop onto this channel and look for that video. Now we can all go ahead and now basically use this by asking it anything. So let's say give me a topic about racism. So it's gonna of course give you what you ask for, and that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.